A review of number theory. Let us start here. Review of number theory. In Matthew, first things to do is to understand the number system. We have different types of number system, of natural numbers. So what are the natural numbers? The natural numbers are such that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Yeah, so these are natural numbers. They're also called counting numbers. So you can either call natural numbers or also call what? Call them counting numbers. That's a counting numbers. They're also called counting numbers. Counting numbers. Yeah, let's play it. Okay, B. Other numbers are called whole numbers. So have whole. Let me be consistent here. I'll put B. Whole numbers. Whole numbers start with 0. So we'll have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So it's just like whole numbers. It's just like natural numbers plus set of whole at 0 plus 0. So you have 0 etc. As extra here. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For natural numbers, you exclude 0. And we have what is called integers. So what are the integers? So integers are the set of whole numbers and opposite of natural numbers. So these are of -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So these are the set of whole numbers and the opposite of natural numbers. Then we have other type of numbers called rational numbers. Rational numbers. This is the rational numbers. Yeah, it expands itself. When I say rational, this is supposed to be kind of a fraction or ratio. So the rational numbers, the word rational, so it's coming from the word ratio. So these are written it's always written as m over n. As m over n. where m and n are integers, n and n. Okay, which one is m1? Where? Let's say where is m and n are integers, and the n is not equals to 0. So in the other way, we can say that rational numbers are also fractions, and can be expressed in decimal form. So the rational numbers are really good in learning how fractions works. We're going to see later how you can add and subtract fractions. But within the rational numbers, we have what is called terminating decimals. It's called terminating decimals. So we have terminating decimal. Yeah, terminating decimal are those rational numbers. If you divide, it's like it's a fraction. So if you divide, for example, if you have 13 over 8, you get 1.625. So this one is terminating. Okay, so 13 divided by 8, you get exactly 1.628. But other numbers like a repeating. For example, we have a repeating decimal. What is a repeating decimal? These are the numbers where you have that decimal which is repeated, such as, for example, if you take 14 divided by 14 over 11, that's a fraction. So it's like you take 14 divided by 11. So this one you get 0.3636, and so on. Okay, 0.36. So you see 6 here. 36 is repeating. So 3636 is repeating. So this is a repeating decimal, and this will continue on and on and on. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's I can say maybe it's all about kind of review of a number theory, and we've seen what is, now we know what is natural numbers, we know what is whole numbers, we know what are the integers, we know what are the ratios. This also makes us learn later about rational numbers. And within the rational numbers, we have what is called terminating decimals. And those ones are the one which, if you divide, you take a denominator divided by the you take the numerator divided by denominator, it will terminate. So get decimals not repeating like the one we saw with the 4 divided by 11. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll make this one clear so that can be may be able to see the whole thing, because smartboard is kind of not very friendly to. So I'll just make this one a little bit small. A little bit small, so that can be able to see one page. Okay. Yeah, so this is all what I covered today: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. And in our next video, I'll go through how most of the rational numbers, how to add the fractions and how to add and subtract fractions, and also how to multiply and divide the fractions. So this will give you the whole basic. It's good to know the basic before you start doing those difficult math, because the number theory is so important in mathematics. Yeah, so I'll see you later on the next video, and thank you for being part of this math learning. It's just basic. Thank you so much. Bye.